with all the attitude that you're showing now, with all the comment that you're talking, saying that you don't like Nigeria, that even if you have money in Nigeria, it's still difficult, that my kids never enjoy Nigeria, they prefer Philippines. So, you think, with those talk, who do you think will cry one day?
This girl's a wonder. She loves me as she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah.
Hi guys, this is Mela and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today, we will talk about the things that you should know before marrying a Nigerian man. So in marrying a Nigerian man, there's a lot of things to consider. You need to assess yourself if you are ready or you can be a Nigerian wife. Before we start, I saw this one comment on one of a Filipino YouTuber who is now based in Nigeria. I saw a woman, I think she's a Filipina as well, that she's throwing hates about Nigerian men. And take note too, she's married also to a Nigerian man. So I comment there because I think she's not happy to those women that are married also to a Nigerian man. I don't know, maybe she thinks that only her husband that is good. But you know, a lot of women that are happily married to their Nigerian man. So she says that one day that you will cry. I saw in her comment as well that if you don't have a son or if you don't have a child to a Nigerian man, don't go to Nigeria or don't go to Africa because he will still marry there. One of the reasons why Nigerian men bringing their wives to Nigeria is to see the place where they came from, to show to the woman that this is the place where I live, my parents or my village people. I don't know why she said that don't go to Africa if you don't have a child. I know it's important to have a child, but before traveling to Nigeria or Africa, must you have a child? What if you just get married and you know you've been trying and still God didn't give you yet? So will you not travel even your husband wants you to travel? Like, I don't know, I don't understand. So there's also one comment that she said there that Nigerian man will still marry in Nigeria. So yes, it's not new. There's a lot of things, there's a lot of women already that their husband married in Nigeria even though they're married abroad. So we don't really know the reasons why. There's a lot of reasons. It can cause from the woman or it can be from the husband. So when she said that, I said to myself that they don't just bring someone that they don't really value or they're not really serious to bring to their village. She said that she can't stay in Nigeria, even like their vacation is all month, but she can't almost finish it because I don't know how she see Nigeria. She said that even if you have money, it's still difficult. Maybe it comes to food, everything, but yeah, they have business and bring their kids to travel abroad again. They left their business with someone that also she said that their kids enjoy Philippines more than Nigeria. Her husband travels alone for business. Like that means that her husband is traveling to Nigeria all alone. Like she's proud to say that. And then she will go somewhere and comment that you will cry one day. My sister, with that your talk. It's like we know already who will cry. So that brings us to this topic, things to consider if you want to marry a Nigerian or if you're married already to a Nigerian. So yeah, let's begin. If you have kids already abroad and you want to go to Nigeria for a visit, allow your kids or teach your kids to adopt also or to love the environment. Don't say that my kids don't want Nigeria, they enjoy Philippines than Nigeria. Of course, if you as a parent, you don't enjoy Nigeria, how do you expect your kids to enjoy Nigeria? You don't expect the kids to enjoy if the mother don't enjoy Nigeria. So it's very important for you as a foreign wife that to teach your kid how to love their father's land. So if you act or if you behave, if you misbehave, like this place is this and that it's so hot, that the food is not nice, and you know these abroad kids, they are used to 24 hours electricity, good roads, air condition, a lot of fast food restaurant, and suddenly the environment change when they go to Nigeria. Teach your kids to adopt that this is the home of your father, this is where he grew up. So allow them, teach them, because you don't expect the kids to enjoy if you don't enjoy as well. So the next one also that you need to consider, that of course your husband has let's say have investment in Nigeria, so he would love to be traveling maybe once or twice a year. Like you as a wife, you know that your husband has an investment in Nigeria. Of course, you will be like pushing him, like let's visit Nigeria, let's see how our business go. If it's doing well, not this one. You will talk like, oh, since I like you don't like Nigeria, so you let your husband travel alone. If you allow that, sister, oh, maybe one day you will just wake up and your husband have family already there. Since you don't like to live in Nigeria, you believe that your husband will live in a foreign country forever. I don't know if you really think that your husband have investment and you believe that he will stay in abroad forever. So what's the purpose of investing in Nigeria? You don't know that's why he's investing in Nigeria, because he prepare himself, his family in the future, that they will have something to do there, that they will have source of income when they go back to Nigeria. And then you believe that he will live in abroad forever. So if you allow that thing, you just wake up one day, your husband have family already, because you don't like Nigeria. So then you will see that he will cry one day. And also, stop discouraging women not to travel to Africa or to Nigeria, because Nigerian man will not bring stranger to their village. They bring their woman because he wants to meet his parents. They don't joke with their parents. So don't discourage women that don't travel to Nigeria because there's no work. If you don't know, a lot of Filipino work there, and they even have good pay. So if you don't know about those things, you just close your mouth. Don't tell that there's no work in Nigeria. It's even advantage for you as a foreigner to work there, and they pay you well. If you claim that you're happily married, then you encourage women to travel to Nigeria, especially if they're having husband or boyfriend. Not discouraging them that about thinking about buying ticket, that you cannot go home because you cannot travel, those stuff. Stop saying negative about those women that are happily married or happy with their partner, because not all Nigerians are bad. If you claim that your husband is good, it's not only your husband. There are a lot of Nigerians that are good. So don't say that, don't comment on someone that they're just using you, and one day you will cry. With all the attitude that you're showing now, with all the comment that you're talking, saying that you don't like Nigeria, that even if you have money in Nigeria, it's still difficult, that my kids never enjoy Nigeria, they prefer Philippines. So you think, with those talk, who do you think will cry one day? You let your husband travel to Nigeria alone. So continue. If you don't like Nigeria, continue. Let's see who will cry one day. So you just wake up, your husband have family already. So now, after that, you'll be posting on Facebook that don't stay with Nigeria, because if they marry abroad, they will marry also in Nigeria. So who will not marry now? If you as a foreign wife, you don't want to live there, and you know that he has investment, you even say that you have hotel and you allow someone to manage hotel because you don't like to stay there. So what will happen to the hotel? You don't like your kids to be in Nigeria because you said they don't enjoy Nigeria. How do you expect your kids to enjoy Nigeria if you don't enjoy Nigeria? So what if one day your husband, we're not hoping, but what if something happened? What will happen to the investment of your husband since your kids don't enjoy Nigeria? So all the hard work, all the hustle, all the sacrifice that your husband did to have that investment will just go. That's why I don't blame some Nigerian man to marry, because they see their wife already showing those red flags. So if they see that one, they make sure that all their sacrifice will not go in vain. So they marry in Nigeria. So even if you don't go to Nigeria, they don't care because they have kids already. They have family there. You know, some women, they don't want to live in Nigeria. They don't want to live in Nigeria, but they don't want also their husband to be married there. So what will happen to their husband? They will just be alone in Nigeria. So it's like you're being selfish because you don't want to live in Nigeria, and you don't want your husband to be married there because I don't know. So you expect your husband to be alone in his country, no kids, no wife, and you don't want him to marry. Is it not selfish? So since you cannot go with him, allow him to marry. If you don't want him to marry, you stay in Nigeria, because Nigerians will surely go back to his land, his father's land. A lot of Nigerians, if they're married abroad, if they see their wife doing 50-50, they will marry because they don't want their investment go in vain. It's to visit Nigeria, to understand Nigeria, and understand their culture, not just love. Sometimes too much love, you become selfish. So love is not enough. There are so many things that you need to consider. Love is not enough. Yeah, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. So please, if you are with Nigerian, assess yourself if you can stay in Nigeria. Assess yourself if you love Nigeria, and if you do, continue. If you don't, please stop. Don't date or don't marry a Nigerian, because you will just waste your time. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Thank you all guys for watching. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Mela signing off.